Jack thinks that he gets the travel sniffles. The travel sniffles are not a real thing, guys, which that can be a whole other podcast debate in itself.
Maybe he's
But
allergic to planes.
I think, the pressure makes your nose run.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
But yeah, moving is not an enjoyable anything and nothing about it. I mean, I guess the idea of redesigning a new space is fun, and we don't have as much of a tight timeline. We have like a 21-day overlap between our two leases, which is really nice, but it has been a pain. We aren't doing professional movers, so we are doing it all ourselves. I mean, we rented a U-Haul.
And the U-Haul is for tomorrow. Did you already
Yeah.
get it?
No.
You pick
It's
it up
just
tomorrow morning? Is it
yeah.
going to actually fit in the parking garage? I was thinking about that. Is it too
It can't
tall?
go in the garage, so we're gonna have to park it up front.